a tribute to CIO Director Michael Muchin, Nair, the 17th of August 2025, by Dr. Masimba Mavaze. The nation is mourning the sudden passing of Director Michael Muchin Nair, a distinguished intelligence officer who dedicated his entire career to the service of Zimbabwe. Known to many by his totemic name Simbodi, the leopard of integrity, Nair's life was one of discipline, humility, and unwavering commitment to the defense of his country. Born on the 24th of April 1961 in Chigasa village, Goramanzi district, Mashonaland East Province, to Fidelis Sami Nair and Regina Raganai, he displayed brilliance from an early age. He attended Ushuokan's primary school before enrolling at Harare High School in Mbeere, completing both Hiso and levels there by 1979. His early working years saw him take positions at Barclays Bank, Mukaro Secondary School in Gudu, and Old Mutual, where he worked as a personnel clerk. In 1984, Nair enrolled at the University of Zimbabwe and graduated with a Bachelor of Arts honors in history. His passion for safeguarding the independence dividend drove him to join the President's Department on the 1st of May 1988 as an assistant intelligence officer in the external branch. After completing his basic intelligence training at Hatfield Training Academy, he embarked on what would become a stellar career. Nair's precision and efficiency led to his rapid rise. Promoted to Assistant Senior Intelligence Officer in 1991, he was soon posted to Ethiopia as a liaison officer, where he served with distinction until 1995. His return to Zimbabwe marked the beginning of greater responsibilities, including roles as Senior Intelligence Officer, Divisional Intelligence Officer, and later Deputy Head of the Evaluation Division. His posting to Rome, Italy, in 2004 as liaison officer was one of the highlights of his career. There, he tenaciously defended Zimbabwe's national interest at a time of heightened diplomatic pressure from Western governments. Those who worked with him recall his resilience, intellect, and determination to ensure Zimbabwe's voice was never drowned out on the global stage. Just days before his passing, he met with colleagues at Monomatapa Hotel, full of energy and clarity, showing no signs of illness. His sudden death on the 14th of August 2025 therefore shocked not only the intelligence community, but the nation at large. Contributions to national security, diplomacy, and the protection of Zimbabwe's sovereignty will be remembered for generations. As the country prepares to lay him to rest, his legacy lives on in the countless lives he touched, the officers he mentored, and the principles he upheld. Fare thee well, Comrade Michael Muchin Nair. Rest in eternal peace, Simbodi. Your name will forever stand as a reminder of service, loyalty, and integrity.